Mario Brothers, and plumbing's the game. Found the secret water zone while working on the drain. Lend the princess a hand in the mushroom land. Join the action with the plumbers, you'll be hooked on the brothers. Now, Evil Koopa and his troopers are up to misbehaving. They kidnapped the princess, mushroom land needs saving. Abusing and confusing, everybody discovers they can't help but be hooked on the brothers.
Plumber's Log number 101, The Land of Ice. Me and my brother Luigi had just rescued Princess Toadstool from King Koopa, and we're looking for the magic that would set her kingdom free and get us home to Brooklyn. Don't worry, Princess. Luigi and me will climb that mountain before you could say spaghetti and meatballs.
I can't! I'm allergic to mountains.
Okay, wait here. And if you become lunch for a polar bear, don't blame us.
A polar bear? Lunch?
What are you trying to do, you wacko blade? Drown me?
Mommy missed her little cheapie so much.
Mommy? You're not my mommy.
Oh, you're such a jokester. Now, where did I put that telephone? Aha! Hello? Oh, it's the Missing Bird Bureau. You can call off the search for my missing baby. I found my little sweetums. It was a terrible picture of you anyway, little cheapie.
I'm not your little cheapie.
Oh, cheapie. Quit kidding around and give Mommy a hug. Oh, this is a fun game. Kiffums, kiffums, kiffums are coming.
I gotta get out of here.
Oh no! We'll never save Toad now!
He was the nicest little fungus I ever knew.
Luigi, we can't quit now. Remember the plumber's motto.
Who could forget? Don't take chances or you'll go down the drain.
No, when the pipe is plugged, keep plunging. Hasta power! Come on, Princess, you can do it too.
Hasta power!
Mamma mia! Whoa! Whew.
See? I told you we'd be perfectly safe.
It's them. Princess Toadstool and those two faucet freaks. Come on, Flaky. Let's tell King Koopa so we can put him on ice for good.
Well, at last you two powder puffs did something right.
Thank you, your extremist, most royal and regal Koopaness.
Watch it, soldier. When I want my feet licked, I'll ask for it. I want my feet licked. This will be the last time those pinhead plumbers throw a monkey wrench into my evil plans. Attention, Koopa Troopers! It's airing time!
Rock-a-bye, little chippy, on the mountain so high. If you get lost again, your mommy will cry.
I can't be your little cheapy lady. I don't have wings. Look, no wings, no feathers. I'm just a mushroom that can't stand heights.
Oh, Cheapy, you're such a teaser. I almost forgot. It's time for your flying lessons.
Flying lessons? Are you out of your mind?
I just hope we can reach Toad before something terrible happens to him.
Oh, to us.
Cheer up, Luigi. It could be worse.
Worse? How could it be worse? Mario! It's a bomb!
And I was hoping for a nice salami sandwich.
Oh no! King Koopa must have found us!
Look out! Here comes a whole squadron of King Koopa's bombers!
Good going, guys.
Not good enough. Those other Albatos are up to something.
It's an avalanche! Let's get out of here!
I hate to run on an empty stomach.
We're trapped. Now how do we save Toad?
You're not listening, lady. I don't want flying lessons.
Mommy knows best, little Cheapy.
Look, lady, I got 10 gold coins. They're yours if you just let me go.
I'll let you go, Sweetums. At 30,000 feet. Look, a fire flower.
I'm hungry enough to eat anything.
No, it's magic. If you can reach it, you can become a Super Mario and get special fire power that can destroy King Koopa's evil helpers.
That's easy. Come on, Luigi. Patty cake, pasta man. Give me pasta power as fast as you can. Pasta power! I love when that happens. Follow me! For badness below and behind the call of cruelty, I, the devious King Koopa, bestow these medals of the Double Cross.
We have important news, you royal Koopaness. The princess and her plumbers survived the avalanche.
They what? You bumbling beak geek blew it! Ah! I'll have to lead the next attack myself! I'd pay $200 for a nice pepperoni cheesecake right now. Who called me cheap? I'll pay $300.
Look,
What is that thing?
it's a baby bird, oh Luigi, and it needs our help. It's frozen inside the ice.
Stand back.
Mommy, little Cheapy want mommy. Do you think his mommy is the one who took Toad?
Here we are, little cheapie. 30,000 feet. Now Mommy will let you fly. Happy landings.
Lady, I'm not a bird! The least that Featherbrain could have done was lend me a parachute. Hey, that's it! A parachute!
Toad! Are you all right?
I feel great! I just passed my first flying lesson. Hey! It's me! I mean, him! It's Little Cheepy! The Fido's real lost baby!
Little Cheepy want his mommy. Toad, do you know where his mommy is?
Oh, no! I'm not going back up there! Never!
Mommy! I want my mommy!
Okay. Maybe if I take you back, she'll leave me alone.
Start climbing, Paisano. We'll stay here and keep King Koopa occupied.
King Koopa? Where?
Hey, Super Mario! Super cook that goose!
Koopa Troopa Pack! Attack! Put out that Super Plumber's fire!
Don't worry, Mario. We'll beat him without superpowers.
It's too late, Princess! They got us surrendered!
It's all over, scum scrubbers! Ah! Who threw that vegetable?
We did!
Ah!
Retreat! Retreat!
Come on, sweeties. We've got to make the world safe for Little Cheepy. Let's get those insects.
When I told her I had rescued a baby, she wanted to help. I'll be back. You haven't heard the last of King Koopa. Thanks, lady. We couldn't have done it without you.
You saved my Little Cheepy. Would you like to come to dinner?
Dinner? That's the best news I've heard in days.
I cooked this just for you, Mario. My favorite recipe.
My favorite dish, spaghetti.
Spaghetti? We're not spaghetti. We're worms.
Worms?
I've never been so insulted in my whole life.